guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance Vision RACER. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at Jaden Smith's collaboration with New Balance, and this is the Vision RACER. First iteration of the Vision RACER is sold out very quickly, and we were able to get like the second drops. And we got this in the black and purple colorway. There's not really a name for it. Let me just double check for you guys. Hang on. Oh, it's black and mirage violet, so I wasn't far off. We got these in the UK size 7.5, it's European 41.5, and it's US 8. Just before we get unboxing, we'll take a look at the box. So you got the Vision RACER, which is the name of the sneaker, obviously. And what's really nice and dope from Jaden is, well, Jaden is a very forward-thinking individual. He cares a lot about the environment and doing his bit to be more sustainable. And that's echoed into his art and his design of the sneaker. Even the box itself, so this packaging is made from 100% recycled materials. And you're gonna hear me say a lot of recycling in this review because it incorporates a lot of recycled materials. So let's get opening. So here's the sneaker. There we go. Very unique design for all those savvy New Balance fans. This is basically a blend of the New Balance X RACER and the styles of their 1700. You can kind of see it when you look at the sneaker. Gives me that, you know, chunky sneaker vibe. It reminds me of an Alexander McQueen or the Triple S from Balenciaga. However, it's New Balance, and to me, we are big fans of New Balance here at Oneupreviewz, and personally, I believe that New Balances are the original dad shoes. You know, let's have an argument. Just if you want, drop your valid case and points on the comment sections, and we'll try and get back to you. With all that said, let's start looking at the sneaker. So we'll look at the outsole. Starting with this outsole, you've got a translucent rubber outsole. You can kind of see the traction patterning here, as well as raised triangles. And I don't think I gave that justice to you guys, but here it is. So you can see it on the inside, it says Sunset Chaser, and it kind of looks like that golden hour between, when it comes to dusk. That makes any sense. Kind of reminds me of purple skies. You can see the hint of orange. Those are really what you live for during these summer nights. It's beautiful to see. And you can kind of see that resonated on the outsole, even on the upper of the sneaker, which we'll get to right now. So the midsole is it's made out of 5% recycled EVA. Well, it's all EVA, which 5% of which is made out of recycled EVA. So there's a lot of recycled materials, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video. And it's got this heavy, this is very loud, the midsole unit, very chunky, reminds me of platform shoes. It's giving me the creeper vibes. So personally, I'm a big fan of Underground Creepers. That's the name of the creepers. Billy Joe Armstrong from Green Day wears them, so that's how I'm reminded of it. But this kind of gives me a futuristic creeper vibe. Not really a dad shoe, personally, I would say. Looking at the upper, so this upper, again, is made out of recycled materials, which the polyester that you can see on the underlays, that is 100% recycled. So we'll here. Just making the overlay, so around the toe box area, you've got synthetic materials. The parts that look like it's leather, or right here, these paneling that you can find all around the sneaker, you can see at the toe box. Lace panels here, at the heel, at the side, and just underneath, just above the midsole unit. It's all PU, all again recycled. I believe the percentage was 60%. So it's really nice to see that Jaden is trying to be more sustainable when it comes to sneaker design. The lacing system is your rope laces, reminds me of your traditional running ones that you can see that do the weave underneath. Got the Vision RACER logo on the tongue here, on this pull tab. Tongue isn't really that padded, but it's just, I wouldn't say it's a flimsy one, but it's quite thin. Ankle support, very nicely padded if anything. You got this New Balance logo at the heel and this strip of PU that extends all the way to the back. I'm a bit apprehensive about these heel units, the back here, because I feel like it's going to dig into my heels and give me blisters, whatever. Look at the insole unit. So this insole as well is made out of recycled materials. You got Jaden's signature there, and it's raised as well. It's kind of like the Europe 574s, which we have done a review. Check those out. And it's very nice. It kind of gives you that orthopedic, will help the comfort on the underside of your feet. Little bits I forgot to mention is that you can see along the tubing, the little paneling around the sneaker, all around, it says Vision RACER. And I forgot to mention that the font that's used, it kind of reminds me of Jaden's music video Icon, kind of like that. I'm not the biggest Jaden Smith fan, I do like the song Icon, but the guy is, you know, he's Will Smith's son, so we've got to give some respect in that regard. And, you know, the fact that Jaden's using a lot of recycled materials into his sneaker designs, it's really dope of him to do. So a big shout out to Jaden Smith. I know you're watching, give us a shout out please. Can't wait to try these on and show you what they look like when they're on. Totally forgot to mention that it also comes with these pink laces. I'll leave them on in black for the meantime, but I really like these pink laces. Brought out footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit if you want a snug fit. My toes are kind of at the end, so maybe I should get a half size up if I want a bit more space. But at the minute, it doesn't hurt, if anything. It's very comfortable, surprisingly, very bouncy as well. That's how I feel about them. And it adds a bit more inches to your height. So all you short kings out there, maybe you should invest in a pair of the Vision RACERs. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.